on 25th January, I'm thinking of the campaign, I'm thinking of the elections, but more than the campaign and the elections, I'm thinking of 8th January 2025. The day after we have sworn in and left Independence Square, I'm thinking about the mess we're going to inherit. We're going to inherit a very difficult situation. And it will take all of us to stand together and let our Ghanaians understand the mess. I'm telling you, what you have seen today is not what it is. The day after they leave this office, you will see the real mess in which this country is. Today, Dumso, they are kicking it like a football. Why? Because he wants to kick it over the 7th January 2025 line and hand the trouble over to somebody else. And yet we resolved it before they came into office. Today, they put value-added tax on electricity bills. And COVID levy, NHIL levy, Get Fund levy, all on electricity bills. And so that is going to send the cost of your electricity bills up. Already there was a 29% increase, there was a 19% increase. Then they tried to fool us with a 4% decrease, and now it's going up again astronomically. And it's making Ghana a very difficult place to do business. All business people are complaining. I mean, the owner of this hotel who has given us this resort to do this meeting, you should ask him how much he's paying in electricity bill. And yet, because of the mismanagement of the president and his cousin and his vice president, it has plunged all of us into a difficult situation where they have pledged to the IMF to raise as much revenue as they can. And the point is, while you are raising revenue, reduce your